fought through fire, stood tall in a storm, faced every trial, but we're still one. With hearts unbroken, we held on tight to dreams that burn like stars at night. You gave us strength when shadows fell. Your voice was louder than any hell. Together we rise, together we stand. Hand in hand, we'll change this land. Oh, we're building something beautiful, a world where love is unstoppable. Come on, conquer, light will shine. The future's bright, will shine. It's ours to find. Thank you for believing, thank you for staying true. This brighter tomorrow begins with me and you. Through every challenge, we never broke. With every step forward, our spirits woke. Mr. Mufareh, his family too, and all who fought to make dreams come true. They showed devotion, they lit the flame. Their names are written in honor and fame. Billions of lives, the stories untold. Our mission lifts them, makes them bold. Oh, we're building something beautiful, a world where love is unstoppable. Good will conquer, light will shine. The future's bright, it's light, it's ours to find. Thank you for believing, thank you for staying true. This brighter tomorrow begins with me and you. Feel it rising, can't you see? Hope ignites inside of me. Every voice, every heart, we're one team, we're one spark. No more waiting, no more fear. The time is now, the end is near. Let's take this journey, let's break the chain. Together we'll weather the joy and pain. Oh, we're building something beautiful, a world where love is unstoppable. Good will conquer, light will shine. The future's bright, it's ours to find. Raise your hands high, feel the fire grow. This is the moment, let's steal the show. For those who waited, for those who care, the dream is alive, it's everywhere. So here we go, let's do this fight. With courage blazing, we'll win the light. Warm all over, hearts so strong. Together we sing our victory song.